What's up guys, welcome back to LRC. So today we have a new product from Heewing. It's the T1 and this is sent directly from the official store of Heewing. So you can check out a link in the description on where you can buy one. Thank you to the boss of Heewing for providing this. It comes with an external shipping box which is really cool to protect the box and content inside. Let's unbox. Yee! So they are separated to box 1, box 2, stickers and box 3. Box 1 is the fuselage. Yeah. Plug the camera over here in case you're not using any camera equipment. Through part number 2 is the vertical stabilizer and also the horizontal stabilizer. This is the hatch, the rear hatch landing gear, accessories like propellers, control horn, push rod, wooden plates. I always appreciate getting a battery strap. Cowl for cooling. Box 3, the main wing. Wow, this looks really high quality. Pre-mounted motor and ESC inside. Pre-mounted servo, really like that. There's a pins connector here, red and black wires for the ESC. The soldering is top quality. The fuselage is what a lot of people want to know more. My version is a P&P, plug and play. There's no physical instruction manual in the box itself, but you can download from their official website, which is heewing.com. A rough estimation of the space inside. Length-wise about 19.3. Internal width 5.15, about 5. You can easily fit a 4-cell 1P 18650 battery in it. This is a 3400 mAh loss of capacity. This is a 3-cell 3S. Easily fit in as well. 4-cell 1500 mAh. 4-cell 3P. It could almost fit, but you'll most likely not fly. 4-cell 3300. I think this will be just too much for it. And I don't have a 3-cell 2200 mAh, but I think it fits. This is the power distribution board and it connects to an XT30 connector. It also split the power to left and right ESC and it supplies 5V for your receiver. The readings here are quite tiny. On the right side of the fuselage, which is this side, as you can see, M here means this connection is for motor, S is for signal, and this is for LED. The motor wire is not Y like the servo wires because so you can do differential thrust. There are two colors of T1 Ranger. One is black color, one is a white color. Black color is actually heavier than the white color because of different material. It's damn tough. It's very tough. You can actually apply a lot of pressure on it and it feels like as hard as a brake. If you try to slide it, oops. There's kit and plug and play. Kit version doesn't have this connector, but the feature to easily remove the wing is still available on the kit version. Push it in harder, it just snaps right in with the clip over here. And to unlock, just pull the clip here and it comes off. Install the battery strap according to the manual online. Installing the elevator. All 3 push rods looks like the same length. Center the servo first so that you can set correct length of linkages. Slot it to the most outer hole. Before that, you may need to massage the hinge because it seems like it's too stiff for the 5-gram servo. At midpoint, I'm quite level. This is the correct linkage length for your reference. Now to mount the tail boom, slot the servo connectors through first. Installing vertical fin by slotting it to the slot over here. Perfect fit with a long screw. You're gonna align the hole, apply the screw in. This is to secure the vertical stabilizer. And another shorter screw is to secure the tail boom to the horizontal stabilizer. Very quick and easy assembly. The red color nut here to put into the tail boom. Slot in your servo wires. Make sure the U-shape facing up. Then secure it with the nut. Very cool design. Insert the carbon rod. Once your wing is plugged in, now you have these connectors here to center your aileron servo. Then I'm going to center it first. Same procedure at the elevator. Repeat on the other side. Now check if the control surface is level. If it's not, you can remove the push rod and then adjust the linkages length. Alright, now it's pretty level. I'm going to repeat it on the other side as well. Front hatch is quite straightforward. Notice the direction. Slot this in. Notice the flat side, which is this one, should be facing upward towards you. The front ventilation cover, however, you have to glue it on. Landing gear, I'm not going to install in this video just yet. I'm not installing the propeller as well. So I'm using this large receiver just temporarily. So the BEC wire from the power distributor, I connect it to channel 4, which is rudder, as we don't have rudder on this model. I duplicated throttle onto the channel 5, so that will be for the throttle channel of the left side ESC and motor. Channel 3 will be the right side motor. Motor is working as well. And it's crazy powerful, man. Woo! Once you're done, slot the back hatch in. The front hatch, there's a clip here, which to be clipped onto the carbon spar. That's all for the build. Very quick and easy build. Very high quality item as well. So you can check out a link in the description on where you can buy this from the official store. And please click the like and subscribe button if you have not done so. So I'll see you on the next video, which is flying this. Bye! By the way, the strobe lights here, they will not power on by just connecting 5V. You need a controller for it through, for example, iNav. Heewing actually was surprised that this is uncommon. So they have just created a controller board for the LED. A very tiny board that you can just connect 5V, connect it to the LED. And this LED will be activated. You can check out the link in the description.